for as low as 1,500 per person, makakapag-stay ka na sa Station 1. Hi, my name is Louie. I sold all of my stuff back in Laguna to live in Boracay. Name of the hotel is V Boutique Hotel. Dito sila sa Station 1. Ito yung standard queen bedroom nila na 3,000 lang per night. Good for two. Pagpasok mo, napaka-cozy ng room. Mayroon na yan queen size bed, napakalaking TV and air condition. Meron na rin yan safe, mini fridge and complimentary coffee and water. Have your own bathroom na meron na rin mga toiletries. Please note na soft opening rates ito, and yes, meron na yan kasamang breakfast. Ang sarap talaga magstay dito sa Boracay pagka beachfront yung hotel nyo kasi pwede kayo mag-breakfast ng ganito yung view. Ang laki rin ng serving ng kanilang breakfast. Gustong gusto ko yung tocino and yung tapa. And since beachfront nga ito, ang sarap mag-chill dito and mag-happy hour. They also have a restaurant called El Toro Loco. We tried the paella, the chicken, yung croqueta sila, and yung beef gambas. I forgot the name ng crispy pork na to pero ang sarap niya. For the dessert, sobrang nagustuhan ko tong churros sila na may chocolate. Meron din sila ditong 3-bedroom suite na may napakagandang view. Very modern yung furniture sila dito and meron kayong napaka-spacious na dining area and kitchen. This is the room number 1. So you can see ang ganda ng room and ang ganda rin ng view. Ito naman yung room number 2. Ganyan common CR sa labas. This is CR number 1. Let's go to the master's bedroom. Meron siyang sariling CR and ito yung pinaka-room niya. Then from the master's bedroom, makikita mo na nga dyan yung grotto. Meron nga din tong roof deck na napakaganda ng view. It's a bar pero pwede rin kayo magpa-special events. And sabi nila sa akin, magkakaroon ng jacuzzi dito. Try them pag andito kayo sa Boracay. Bye!